a shop vacuum can quickly remove stubborn blockages from an air conditioning condensate drain line by applying strong suction to pull out sludge, algae, and debris that regular flushing cannot clear. Start by turning off the air conditioner at the thermostat and then at the service disconnect to prevent system damage. Locate the outdoor drain termination or the condensate drain access point and remove any screen or cap so you have a clear opening to work with. Attach the shop vacuum nozzle tightly to that opening using a cloth or duct tape to create a good seal so suction is concentrated into the pipe. Turn the vacuum on and watch for increased stiffness or vibration in the hose, which signals that the clog is breaking up and moving toward the vacuum. Run the vacuum for several minutes, then reverse the process by briefly turning the air conditioner back on and flushing the line with a cup of distilled white vinegar to discourage regrowth of organic film. Afterward, turn the vacuum on again for a short burst to clear the last residue, and then empty the vacuum canister and dispose of collected debris properly. Many people first try pouring water and bleach, which can push a soft clog deeper and make removal harder. Instead, use suction to extract the mass directly. Another common issue is a poor seal between the vacuum and the pipe, which reduces effectiveness, so use a compressible cloth or tape to form a tight fit and test for suction before running the vacuum long term. Finally, some drain lines have multiple bends or an internal trap that resists straight suction. So if the hose remains flexible and vibration never changes, try accessing the line from an alternate cleanout or use a sturdy, flexible plumber's snake after vacuuming to clear remaining fragments. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for cleaning and maintenance projects, and we make it easy to connect with professionals in your area. We also help contractors find work by listing projects and hosting a discussion community where we and our users share tips, ask questions, and recommend local providers.